And I remember that I was like, I'm going to learn this Python stuff. I'm a smart guy. I can learn Python. I'm a developer. I can understand this Python stuff. And I did. I sat there. I took my Christmas break one year. I wish I could remember what year it was. But I used my Christmas break to do nothing but work on Python. I had worked in R for my graduate studies. All of my graduate studies were either R or SAS. But I thought, I really need Python because I would, like I said, at this point, I'm starting to gain some confidence. So I started looking at, okay, well, what are the languages they're looking for, right? And I just remember that I took this 5-day period, 5 to 7 day period, and I did nothing but Python. I remember that I was living in a different place at the time, but I had a beautiful apartment, nice and quiet, and I had an L-shaped desk with 3 monitors. In the middle, I had my iMac, and then I had my 2 monitors, and I just sat there and I had Python running on every single screen. Just like, these are the times when it's helpful to have adult onset ADHD and all that, right? Because I have the adult onset. So I sat there for hours and hours and hours learning Python and really, understanding what Python is. Now, keep in mind, I don't recommend this for everybody. I had a lot of years of development experience behind me at this point. So I'm able to understand programming concepts and pick up new languages easily, right? So I'm not recommending, anybody else, kind of binge this. But I just remember I took this period to really learn it, to just really like, what are the key essentials that I need in Python? And then what essentials from that do I need for data science? And then can I go back and do some of my studies, some of my previous EDAs, right? Because I'm still going to the coffee shop here, right? How do I go back and say, okay, let me redo that entire study and I'm going to redo it in Python? Like I would do that.